Okay, today I'm gonna let you know how you can scrape Zillow data. Like you can scrape any address if you just have the address, or you can just automate it of accepting an address and it will just scrape. So like suppose we have this address and I have just clicked, it's loading. It's pretty heavy page, so yeah, it's taking time. Okay, yeah, so it's partially loaded. So we'll scrape all this data, all whatever is present, like all this all we can just like every single data present on any address. So first of all, what we have to do, like we will just go to inspect, because this is I mean this is necessary. And if you are trying with selenium or all, so I think it's difficult or impossible with selenium, as I have tried but I haven't succeeded. Maybe you can. So yeah, yeah, you can just go to user. Oh sorry, I just let me say, you first you have to go like xhr and get into user. Yeah, so now what? Okay, so this is the yeah, so yeah, so you have to copy what is called request headers. So you have to copy all of it like this, all of it till let me show you where. Okay, you have to copy till here. And because it will help, we will mimic like we are a Google, because Google bot comes and escape their data to, so we will mimic like we are Google or bot. And now let's just start our Python code. So first we'll from bs4 import beautiful. We will use beautiful soup for scraping. And secondly, we'll use request library. It's at requests like ts, not request. Sometimes people just do request and they just made whole code bad. And now we'll import json. Yeah, okay. So like what I have told you to copy, you have to paste it in headers. These are called headers. Yeah, you have to paste it here. And you have to make it like this. Oh sorry, it may be a little bit small, let me make it big. Yeah, you have to make it like this, like accept like key value pair, like a dictionary. Okay, so I'm just copying it because it will take time. If I like, it's just string text. Like you can remove cookie, is not necessary. It's for like uh, tracking of sessions. So yeah, once you have done this, and now little bit more. Yeah, now we'll just make a base url for scraping. So our base url will be let me just type it, http. Oh sorry, where I have came, https://www.zillow.com/homes. So whatever the address we have to scrape, we will just paste it here, like whatever the address is. And beautiful soup will scrape all that data. So yeah, so let me just show you. So now just take a okay, let's just copy a address. So let me just copy this address only. Yeah, okay, you can pass here any address. Yeah, and now, and let me just show you one thing. See how the URL is being created. See 9600, after there is a space, so they have just put a dash, and every space they have put a dash, dash 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 dash. And in the end they have use some their specific or secret ID. So like what we'll do, we'll do like this only, like we'll replace it with dash. You can replace it with dash, like I'm replacing it with text dash, like dash dash. You can use symbol dash also. And in the end we'll just do something else. I'll just show you. So now we'll just do address URL plus, like this is the URL. We have to add this address after slash, like address. And now we'll just now what I'm going to do, you can use like regex also for this, but I thought it will be easy for you if I just tell you in a very easy language. Now we'll just replace any of this with dot dash. Yeah, so what I am doing, like wherever there's a comma and space, so we'll just replace it with dot dash dot. Okay, and again we'll write the same code, and this time we replace any space with dot dash dot. And again you just do what I am doing, because it will 100% work, because I have done it for my internship. Yeah, you can now you have to just like one thing space. Yeah, now you have to like for slash also. Now dot replace. Now sometimes hash comes because when there is a number or something, so we'll just replace it with dot num, because whenever there is a number or something, so hash appears, so we have to replace with number, not with dash. I think one thing was more, let me just check it. Yeah, dash. Yeah, we have one thing more, like, yeah, dash. I feel like we have to replace dash also with dash only. I mean, it's ridiculous, but yeah, I don't know why I have done this. And in the end I'll just do like plus underscore RB. Yeah, so this is it. This will like translate whole of your text string. Let me just print it and show you how it will look like after this print. Yeah, okay. See, it's been converted like this, the NYUS dash B. I don't know what is like, but yeah, it's work. Now see, if I just copy this email address, this ID. I think I couldn't copy it or what. Let me just make it bigger. I'm just trying to copy so I can just show you a demo of it. If it's have been okay, it was 914 dash 914 dash, yeah, it was 914. See, I will just enter and it will just open that page only. See, same page, it's opened the same page. That was the main problem. And then the next big problem is, let's see, I have seen multiple tutorials on scraping. What they tell you, like let me just close it. We have just done with that. They tell you like go to each and every like element and scrape. Like if you want to type scrape, so you have to go there element like into div tag or something. and like whatever you have to scrape you have to go there. But it's like some webs only few for like for small website we have to do this, but in big websites we have something called application slot JSON where all the data is present, so it's unnecessary to scrape go to everywhere. Like we can just check it. Let me just show you where is the application slash JSON where all the data is. Where it has gone, I just can't remember because I have done it like few months back, so I just can't remember. You can just look after it. It should be here some like in a script tag only. Yeah, application slash no, it should be JSON, not JavaScript. Uh, Let me just JavaScript. I just couldn't find it. Where it is it? You can just look after it like application.json file. I'll just write the code directly. Yeah, so let's get back to it. And now let's just delete it. Yeah. And now what we'll do, like let me just check it. Yeah. Now we'll just request on this like address to get the data. Get address slash. Now here we'll pass headers equals to headers. Like we are passing headers like other if we wouldn't like it will like we have to pass headers because we will show like we are Google bot or something. Like it's for what I have heard in like tutorials and all. And now we'll just escape whatever comes after it. So equals to beautiful soup s dot text slash. You can use any parser, maybe all will work. Yeah, now just print soup and show you like it's working or not. Okay, see all the data is coming. Oh my oh goodness, so big. I mean it's still printing. See, like when you scrape some these big website, like this is only happen. See, I mean, oh goodness. Now we have to use application slash JSON file. So we'll just do constant and just write what I am writing and you will just get it. Select. Okay, yeah, see, I'm with the help of beautiful soup, I'm just selecting application slash JSON file. It should be there someone in like a script tag, but I couldn't find it. Now we'll just is let me just print like how is it const. Yeah, and this time it will be very less, don't get so much confused. Oh, be fast. Oh my, Yeah. See, the problem is here, like it's giving us like this script tag also with the whole JSON file. Like it's a JSON file, okay? So like we have to remove this, like this thing. Yeah, after this it's like whole, like you can see curly brackets, it's whole JSON file, okay? So we'll just do something like const uh, no, like first value equals to str string const 3 dot index. Like basically what here I'm doing, like I'm just let me just have some space. Okay, one thing I just forgot. Maybe here on the sideways my video is coming and you couldn't watch the headers part. Yeah, so let me just tell you again. I'm really sorry. Yeah, so now it should be visible. No. Yeah. So you just have to go to network, XHR, and uh, go to user nav sync HTML page. Yeah, you have just copy this request headers path till here. Okay. Okay. So now let me just. So here what I'm doing, like I'm removing the below that list where script was written and those parameters were made. So you just have to copy same thing what I am doing and it will hopefully work. Like for me it has. You can use any other way to remove that, but I have found this is the easiest way, just 3 lines of code and it will just do the work. So you can just use any of your method if you like, but yeah, hope it will take much time. Should just copy this only. Yes. So okay, here is a like here is our JSON string. Let me just give some space. Yeah, so here is our, so we'll just do JSON dot loads. Yeah, JSON string. So here is my like JSON string, like that extracted part between the script tag. Now I'll just print it and show you. You have to load it with the JSON only because otherwise it won't work. Like it's totally in a very bad shape when we scrape it. So you have to load it with JSON only. Oh, some un. What is last value? Let me see the constant. Let me see the constant. Oh, sorry. Here it should be a bracket. And yeah, sometimes we just make mistakes. Oh, so see, Oh, yeah. So like it's a key, like it's done. Like I have to tell you some little bit more things, but it's done. All the data is here. If you can extract it easily, so you can end it. But I don't think you can, because it's a key value pair and it's very in a bad shape. See slash slash slash, and it's unnecessary. So let's just see like how many keys are there and what are they used for in JSON string print. Yeah, let me just see how many keys are there. So much hot here. Okay, this is a API catch and ZPID. See, ZPID is that ID. Let me just show you. This is sorry. This is the like ZPID. What we they have some secret ID or something. I just don't know. This is like, yeah, ZPID. This is the and and API catch, like you don't have to particularly use ZPID. You, if you want, you can, but all the data is in API catch, whatever you call it. Let me just show you. JS print JSON string ZPID. Yeah, let's just wait. Yeah, it's just an ID. So 2012 28293, maybe it should be, yeah, 2012 28293, same ID. So let me just print API catch, API CACHE. Yeah, and it should just give us the tons of result. See, yeah. Okay, stop. Yeah, what a timing. So in a like let me just yeah, so here what you have to do, you have to again do the JSON dot loads, because it's again a very bad shape. So once you have done in a JSON dot load, so you can just get here, like in property, you have street address and like for sale and photo, and all the values are here. Like let me just show you. uh, like yeah, so we are storing it like in a suppose data variable. Yeah, now what we'll do, it's not in a bad shape, so we will do like data JSON dot loads data, and we'll print data. Okay, so here what we have, I have done like I have taken the value from the API catch, and I have taken in data, and again loaded it with JSON, because it's a JSON file. Yeah, see, like in this you have all the values. You can just use JSON. I think after this you don't have to load anywhere, because it's like a normal key value pair. You don't have to do it again. But yeah, like you have anything you want, like property, bedroom. This is the bedroom, to year bill 1981, home type condo. Like see here, like you should know how you should go inside here. So you have variety. First you have to get into this like what do you call key, like this is the first key. So after that, this is the property key, then ZPID. One thing I have forgot, or maybe I haven't see, if you want to access this key, like you just can't, because every key will have different ZPID, and you do, like you wouldn't know like beforehand, if you are like making a automated web scraping. Like if you are doing for particular address, then it's okay. But if you are making automated, like someone just enters address and it will escape. So like if you get the this value, so you should have this key, but you can't have this key because you don't have this id. So what I have shown you previously, like when you go json dot string zpid, it given as a number. So you just take that number and insert it here and write whole the thing beforehand only, if you understood, and you will just get all the data here. So yeah, that was it. If you link in the description for the code, and if you feel like just comment, I'll just do it for you. Like I've just started my channel, so obviously. So yeah, thanks for watching. So give a like and subscribe if you liked it. Thanks.